Tired of expensive veggies filled with chemicals? What if I told you you could grow fresh, chemical-free food at home without soil, without mess, and in just 5 easy steps? This is hydroponics, the future of farming, and you can start it right in your kitchen. In this video, I'll show you how to start hydroponic farming in just 5 easy steps. Let's go. Let's show you how. First up, choose your system. For beginners, I recommend the Kratky method or deep water culture. All you need is a container, bucket or tub, net pots, hydroponic nutrients, water, no pumps, no electricity needed, just a container, net cups and water. Kratky equals low cost, low tech. Now choose your crops, the best beginner plants, lettuce, basil, mint, spinach. These grow fast, stay clean, and give amazing yields indoors. In hydroponics, nutrients are everything. Hydroponics means feeding plants through water. You'll use a mix of nutrient A and B dissolved in water. Use a simple EC and pH meter to get it right. Your plants absorb everything from this solution, so getting the EC, electrical conductivity, and pH right is crucial. Ideal pH, 5.5, 6.5 EC depends on plant type. Our course explains it in detail. Don't worry, our nutrient help cards explain everything step by step. Plants need light. Plants need light for photosynthesis. If you have sunlight, great. If not, use affordable LED grow lights for 10 to 14 hours daily. Keep the area cool, well ventilated and clean to avoid pests or fungus. Hydroponics equals indoor farming equals full control. After 30-40 days, your lettuce is ready to harvest. In just 4 to 6 weeks, you'll have a full harvest. No mud, no mess, just clean, fresh greens ready to eat or sell. Harvest, replant, repeat. This is sustainable, profitable farming from a bucket to a business. Simply snip, rinse, and enjoy. And guess what? While eating this batch, your next one is already growing. It's a continuous cycle of fresh food, right at home. Bonus. Many hydroponic crops regrow after cutting, especially leafy greens. Want to go deeper? Our modern hydroponic course is designed for beginners like you, just Rs $13.99. You'll get video lessons, crop guides, and lifetime help. Plus, explore our help cards: nutrient deficiency card, germination card, hydroponic cheat card, and microgreens ebook, all crafted to make hydroponics easy and error-free. Start with one bucket, end with a garden. Whether you want to eat clean, lose weight, or build a side income, hydroponics is your future. Click the link in the description to get started with Maximum Cultivator. Hydroponics is not just farming, it's food freedom. Whether you want to eat clean, start a side hustle, or just try something new, you can start today. Check the description below for our course link and toolkits. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe to Maximum Cultivator for more hydroponic tips. Your journey from seed to salad starts here. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves clean food.